managed to get the gas tank down. That was a little fun because there's still some old gas in here. Very old, in fact, because the last time this car hit the road was in 2002 based on the window tag. But two straps right here, you see, that's sort of bent. One way there in the background. 2 bolts was all it took to drop this thing down, and had to maneuver it around because of the filler port right there that had to be worked around the frame. Not that big of a deal. There was a bunch of trash on top of here, so it looked like little varmints were probably trying to make a nest up there, but luckily there were no varmints in there. But disconnected these 2 fuel lines here. This is one of those cars with the evaporative fuel emissions system on there with the charcoal canister, and also there's 2 fuel lines. We're only going to be using one, and what I'm going to end up having to do here is mounting an electric fuel pump close to the fuel tank so it could get the most efficient draw up and pumping pressure down the line up to the engine. So main thing was just getting this tank out of here and checking it out, make sure the thing is actually in good shape. So I don't know whether I need to get another tank or not. The way it appears, this tank is in A1 shape, just dirty. So I'm going to pull the tank out all the way, drain out the old gas, clean it out, get the sending unit out, all that good stuff, and continue on with the work. dropping the gas tank and finding out that the sending unit is clearly trashed. We already got the fuel pump installed. Went ahead and ran the power wire along the fuel line all the way to the engine bay. Ran it neatly enough around the HVAC box, and there's the rest of it right there. Plenty of wire to go into the firewall to hook up to the fuse block. From there, went ahead and turned our attention to the interior, which, if you remember last, it was full of crap. And there's a lot of crap right there, some crap right there. Got some crap in the trailer, door panels that are not really good to leave outside where they might get wet and get more distorted. And went ahead, vacuumed out the floors here, got them cleaned up as best as we can so we can continue to work in there. Right there, got just a pair of sun visors. I'll probably put those up because those are going to be easily able to be put up and not get in my way. Those are just some intake manifold gaskets so I can get the intake put on solidly, get that little bit of stuff out of the way. There's a couple of panels right there that actually go behind the bumper in this little gap right there, and on the other side. I have to clean the treads up on those or pull those little tread plates out and just use regular bolts like I did with the tailgate. But probably get those freshened up, get those installed just as well. Also have our overflow bottle. It's in good shape. Go ahead and put that in eventually. So more or less start putting pieces, even more pieces back together on here. But my main purpose of getting this interior cleaned out is so I could look at getting this dash pulled out so I can rework the HVAC system as far as duct work and all, and make it easier for me when it comes to rewiring this thing. So with that, we're going to go ahead and conclude this little segment of work that was done on this car, because I think that was plenty of footage for this video. So till next time, you know what to do. I will catch you later.